What if I told you most AI side hustles online are hype, but a few are quietly paying real people every day? In this video, you'll discover 5 AI side hustles that actually work in 2025, tested, proven, and profitable. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into smart income. No fluff, no coding. Just simple systems that make money. Let's dive in. First, AI content creation for businesses. Local brands are desperate for fresh content. Captions, posts, short videos. AI lets you deliver all of that faster than anyone else. Use ChatGPT to write captions and hooks, design in Canva, and turn blogs into videos with Pictory. Offer a 10-post content pack for $75 to $150. Deliver it in a neat folder and watch clients come back. Businesses don't care how you make it, only that it looks good and performs. Next, AI template design and automation bundles. Think planners, Notion dashboards, or social media kits. AI tools build them in minutes. Use Canva Magic Studio or Notion AI to create layouts. Ask ChatGPT for labels, prompts, or color ideas. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad. One good template can sell hundreds of times while you sleep. That's true passive income. Designed once, sold forever. Third, AI freelance writing and editing. Writing is still one of the most in-demand skills online. AI just makes you 10 times faster. Offer blog posts, product descriptions, or YouTube scripts. Let ChatGPT draft, then you polish with Grammarly. 3 clients a week at $50 each, that's $600 a month for work that takes only a few hours. Remember, AI isn't replacing writers. It's replacing slow ones. Fourth, voice and video automation for creators. Thousands of creators need daily voiceovers and shorts. You can provide both using AI. Write a 30-second script in ChatGPT, generate a voice in 11 labs, and add visuals through Pictory or CapCut. Charge $20 to $40 per video or sell weekly bundles. It's a mini content agency you can run from your laptop. No camera, no studio, just pure automation. Finally, AI automation consulting for small businesses. Every business wastes time on manual tasks, emails, invoices, reports. You can fix that with AI automations. Offer. Set up your first automation for $99. Use ChatGPT and Zapier to connect forms, spreadsheets, and replies. You save them hours every week, and they happily pay for that value. Simple logic. If you save someone money or time, they'll pay you again. So which one fits you best? If you're creative, start with templates or content. If you love systems, go for automation consulting. And if you like writing, let AI be your co-pilot. Pick one side hustle, test it this week, then stack the next when it earns. Don't just watch AI change the world, earn with it. Subscribe to Purposefully AI and download your free AI Money Starter Kit below. Purposefully AI, simple systems, real income.